Okay, today we're going to make a drop swirl soap, okay, with indigo powder as a coloring for blue, and finger crossed if I can do charcoal as well, which I have here. We're going to mix it when we get to trace. So we're going to do 3 colors, so use the soap as a white is cream, then blue and indigo blue, okay, and charcoal, okay, so 3 colors, dry color, soap. We're going to use a in the pot swirl, hopefully we can do that. Let me tell you the ingredient I have. So this is, I use 6 ingredients altogether, 6 oil, okay, so coconut and palm here, and this one is canola 10%, olive oil 10%, RBO, rice bran oil 10%, castor oil 5%, okay, so that's the idea. I have not measured my lye out yet, but I'm going to do that now. I'm going to put on my glove and a glass, all the safety gear. Measure my water out already, but I use aloe vera, okay? The usual, okay? Because I have it, I use it. Better for soap anyway. Yeah, so that's the game plan. I'm going to do that now and then come back to you guys, okay? Okay, I'm back. Now just measure the lye, mix it into the aloe vera ice cube, and that's the result, okay? So we got ready to make soap now, okay? Now with this, we've got to drain it, okay? We've got to use a sieve to sieve the big part out, okay? So cover it up, leave it aside. I got a new stock pot, I mean. We're gonna make our soap in here. Let me check the oil that I have melted in the microwave. So all the hard oil, hard fat. Okay, there are some still hasn't melted yet. 46 degrees, 48, 49. This one, 22. So if we combine the two together, it should, right now it's 48. This one, 22. So if we combine together, it should come out around 30-ish. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, let's combine it. So the hard fat is coconut oil and palm oil. Responsible palm oil, okay? Vegan recipe, this one. So hopefully we try to make the soap around 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, soft oil now. All go in. We're going to mix in all our additive. So right now I have sodium lactate, which I have at, let's say, 3%. So sodium lactate, go in. Kaolin Clay at 2%. Citric Acid, okay, mix around 2%. Now 1.5%, 1.5% citric acid mixed with 15 grams of water. Okay, that's there. Let's go in as well. 38 degrees, perfect soaping temperature. We're gonna give it a mix now. Like that right now. Okay, that will do. Okay, now we're going to mix in the lye solution with the aloe vera to make soap. Since it's not pure water and lye, we're going to strain it out. Okay, so nearly done. Okay. Now I'm gonna keep it a short burst of mixing. Then we're gonna divide it up, okay? But since this is has some rice bran oil, so it might trace very fast. So be careful. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it. Okay, emulsion ready. So let me 36 degree. Okay, put in the essential oil. Now we're going to divide it up now into 3 batches, similar size. So I want to do it in the pot swirl. Okay, so like that. Okay, so we have like that, right? Roughly. Okay, so I'm gonna color this. 1 batch blue, the other. So let's mix. A bit more, I think. You have to play with it to get the dry consistency. Let me move it away. Okay, that's the color. Do we want that color? A bit more, I think. Light blue, okay, not crazy blue. Leave some for later, for the other batch. Now for this one, we have to play with charcoal, half a teaspoon first. Get another spoon. Yeah, it's picking up quick, you know, like that. Still workable. Okay, so we have three colors now. Okay. Now with the in the pot swirl, it's really simple. Basically, you just pour in 4 directions. Okay, imagine this it's picking up fast now, so I gotta move fast. Okay, so basically in 4 directions, right there, right there, somewhere here, somewhere there. Okay, that's done. Keep and take. This one similar as well. Alternate, okay? So one there. One there. One there. One there. Okay, so you alternate. It's picking up fast now, medium trace now. So I better move fast. What you do now is just make a swirl like that. That's it. Okay, one revolution. Got to pour it, otherwise I'll get a stick. So right now it's like that. I just pour it in. Now you get a mixture of blue, white, and black tricolor. Hopefully you guys can see, not blocking the way. Have to move fast, sorry guys. It's picking up really fast. I didn't blend too many as well when it's picking up. Okay, that will do my thing. Move this out of the way for you guys to see. Okay, that's it. In the post wolf, okay, I'm gonna cut it, put this in the SK first, let it gel, so you get the color, okay, let it go to gel phase. Otherwise you do preheat the oven, then you put this in, turn off everything, the low setting on your oven, and you put this in, okay. But I think it's very good. Let me clean up a little bit on the side. Should have made a bigger, slightly bigger batch would be up to here, but it's fine. Perfect for this mold, I think. Not overflowing. Like that. I'll let you guys see the cut as well. After 24 hours, 8 hours, I have to cut it, okay? Because I use a very hard ingredient and I use a soap that the color that is not very conducive to heavy cutting. Only soft soap that is really soft, okay? So get a smoother cut. Okay, it's been nearly 8 hours. I have to cut this. Let me touch it. Still wear gloves, okay? Because it's only been 8 hours. So still caustic. It's hard enough. I think I can cut and mold this now. Let me do it now. Still a bit too soft, I think. But I have to cut it, otherwise now it's hard to cut later. So I'll quickly cut it. Go through like butter. Like that. I think it's way too soft, I think. Too late now. Can't put back to the mold. Eh? Okay, that's done. Okay, I think I have to put it back into the mold here. Lost a bit of soap here. Okay, this one probably leave another 24 hours, I think. Okay, right there. Okay, I'm gonna put back into the mold now. Okay, I'm gonna put back into the mold, put back into the esky. So I might try to avoid solar ash. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. And I'll probably take a photos when it's, it's ready. Okay, so 8 hours for this recipe, not enough. Probably 24 hours be perfect. Part of the learning experience. Okay, I'll see you next time with another video.